Let's test out this new Shark vacuum my sister purchased for her office. So we took it out of this box and allowed it to charge for an hour because this is a rechargeable vacuum. Once charged, it will run for 40 minutes for a quick cleanup of smaller spaces of your home or business. In this front lobby area, overall, it performed very well. I wanted to see how it would do with picking up these foam pieces, which fell out of the boxes of furniture we assembled, and it actually did a really fantastic job of not blowing them around and actually picking them up very well. It is super lightweight and fairly easy to push and maneuver in this small area. Now, once we started to vacuum the ceramic floor, it was super easy to push and did a fantastic job of getting the dirt from the floor. This also easily transitioned from carpet to flooring with no problems whatsoever. There is a super easy touch button that is conveniently located with a slight movement of your thumb. Simply push it to turn it off and on. And this plus sign button on top is a power suction button for those hard to pick up spots. Simply push it and it provides extra suction. And there's also a battery indicator light here which tells you when your battery is low. And this makes it super easy to know when it's time for a recharge. My name is Paula, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching the review. If you felt it was helpful, please hit that thumb below so other people will know to watch this video.